The electric leaf shredder. Sold by UK Home Shopping, UKHS. Keep your garden waste under control with the Wolf Garden electric shredder. This machine features a powerful 2,500-watt motor for efficient shredding. It can handle branches up to 45 mm in diameter with ease. The twin and reversible bladed rotary system ensures swift and effortless shredding. Lightweight and easy to move, it's perfect for any garden. The integrated handle and large wheels make positioning simple. Operate it easily with the on/off rocker switch. Safety is a priority with the interlocking housing to prevent accidental starts. A motor overload reset button adds an extra layer of protection. It comes with a branch and twig plunger for convenience. The 45-litre collection bag ensures you can work longer without emptying. Make garden maintenance a breeze with this reliable shredder. Let's look at the pros and cons. The plus points are it has a powerful motor but surprisingly quick operation. It's also easy to use. On the negative side, it only cuts branches up to 45 mm. The electric shredder is rated 3.9 stars. Order today for £119.94.